Mulabashi, May English class is all I buy. Smano, May English mass speaking class day on the down to Imomo's occupation. Ramausa tomorrow, May English down in Emily September Maya. May English High Certificate Program at Amaka, Diploma degree at T-9 ounce, simple Nebitare, Tamil preparation. Tomorrow, May English ma online on campus na miyole ang memory. On campus, ini karo yaw jani taji patingone, yung nai taji, kami nero mate ang memory sim. So let biyo, May English mate ang nene, dinali ribo, biba biba banation. Yawan ang nane, that's all the masa din biyo, Oxford curriculum, Cambridge curriculum yan pinsabi niye, English first year class na ko ang memory. Pronunciation of theory address, Oxford phonics, Dolly phonics na ko pinsabi niye atin, claim na English literacy, grammar, vocabulary, listening, speaking, reading and writing kita pinsabi bare. Maro May English staff, British Council, Cambridge APS Kirone Education Partner the official certificate Cambridge English official preparations and articulate preparation. Common European framework Siga Vakani, firstly at the material delivery today, pre-E1 standards, E1 movers, E2 flyers, E2 key for school, E1 preliminary for school, E2 FCE, C1 CAE, C2 CPE level na detail memorization. Sabi, Cambridge curriculum, international curriculum yan itisabi ni primary 1 to 6 level na detail memory, primary 1 to 6 clearly address, English sabi, global science, computer, math padayin niya ko, international curriculum na itisabi niya siya bare. Sabi, grade 3 equivalent, ngayon natin matiyo sa dyan ang laman niya kita. GED, ITCSE, sorry course niya ko ulit yung memory, pre-GED, pre-ITCSE course niya ko ulit po na ibitabaration. Adult and high address, English first year class niya ko, elementary yan isa din yun, pre-intermediate, intermediate, upper intermediate na, advanced level nga po na ibitabaration. Trong bari tamaka, lamay ko yung nila duriba, tayaw na simple, speaking special class niya ne, business English class niya ko ulit po na ibitabarin. International Certificate Program na pide, IELTS, TOEFL, choice course niya ko ulit itapo sabi niya siya barin. Ngayon sa diploma po yung duri address, may English na, key English ka ni function entire. Diploma in English Studies, City of Oxford College UK Bola, English Science and Level Shiba Patiyang Memorization. Teaching my goals and desire to get registered training course to go to South Sapi Adim. You can got a senior and diploma what to get them. Diploma in English Studies, a diploma in Academic System, City for Oxford College UK Bola, Cashin I am from Evisabare, US Imperial address, May English Nika, US University to get that, Barrister University Nurses at Vidablo, and anxiety being a by of the memorization. May English ma 21st century dining assignment desire appeal. Down in the Arabian extracurricular activity to develop storytelling side activity curriculum for variation. May English and other the Garon and Zako, a lot of dietary alum, pescade example, and Zako, Pinine empty, a lot of empty, biology alum, you are recommending and some preparation. I'm not Amaka, as well as I'm not a medical for being here, some more. May English law around the book because managing. So writing your future with me through education.